Rondo 2 has several indicator lights. These tell you information about your audio processor. When turning on Rondo 2, the blue indicator light shows which program is selected. One blue blink indicates that Program 1 is selected. Two blue blinks indicate that Program 2 is selected. Three blue blinks indicate that Program 3 is selected. Four blue blinks indicate that Program 4 is selected. If the optional status light is activated, a short blue blink will blink every 3.5 seconds to show that Rondo 2 is working properly. When using the Fine Tuner remote with your Rondo 2, the blue light will blink shortly every time a Fine Tuner command is received by your processor. A continuous blue light indicates that either minimum or maximum volume or microphone sensitivity has been reached. A rapidly blinking blue indicator light shows that Rondo 2 needs charging. If the link check function is activated, the green indicator light will blink 3 times when Rondo 2 is placed over the implant. This shows that Rondo 2 is working correctly and is communicating with your implant. If you have a C40 or C40 Plus implant, the green light will blink quickly once. This shows that your processor is working correctly. If the red indicator light blinks repeatedly, Rondo 2 is positioned over the wrong implant. Ensure Rondo 2 is positioned over the correct implant. Short red blinks 10 seconds apart indicate Rondo 2 has powered off. Turn it off and on again and reposition it over the implant. Any other indicator light signals suggest that there may be a technical issue with your Rondo 2. Contact your CI center for further assistance.